Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am, sir. I'm Angelica Bautista, 28 years old, from Philippines. I have one brother and two sisters. I am the eldest in the family, and I have a daughter, and she's 4 years old. I am undergrad college.
Okay, do you have experience abroad?
No, sir, but I have experience here in Philippines as a housemaid. There are 5 members in the family, 2 adults and 3 children. They are ages 16 years old, 7 and 4 years old. I'll do the household chores like cooking, ironing, washing, and cleaning the house. And also, the 4 years old girl, I send her in the school and until her class is done. And I also do the marketing.
What is your message to your future employer?
I hope you will select me as your helper. I am hardworking, honest, and responsible. I will do my best. Thank you.